Together the new chicken pen. I need a swivel on my tripod.
Yeah.
Need a swivel. That'll be the next thing on my list. Maybe I need to like get a longer shot so I can see better. I mean, it's kind of hard to see in the sun anyway. I know. I'll go from the other end. See how that works. What are you doing, Ace? What are you doing, Ace? There we go. I think I got a good shot here. The dogs don't knock it over. Well, at least it's easy to put together. Okay. Alright, let's go flop over. Grab that other one.
Yeah, it's going somewhere. I gotta figure out
Maybe
which
in
one.
the back or something.
This one runs up down there, and this one runs right here. I'll figure it out in a minute. It might be just the extra one. I don't. Oh, it goes on top there. Not on that. I gotta put one more toe on that.
Oh, okay.
It's
Top that goes that way.
Yeah. My twos and twos. You thought you lost it.
I thought I lost it. I thought it was falling. Speaking of falling, my phone is gone.
Yeah, it fell. Apologize to him for it fell.
A tripod fell over. I'm sorry about that.